Oh, big one ate it. Nope.
Oh, good one. Good one. Good one.
There you go.
Oh, that's him. Switching up gears, going in a little shallower, time to get on some reel fishing. The electric stuff's fun, but I like turning the handle, and that's what we're gonna get to now. Yeah. Fishing out deep was fun. We came in shallower now. We got green water, shallow water. I'm gonna start off, probably fish some bait too, but I'm gonna start off with some jig in action. Look for some cobias, looking for the brown ones now. Got him. Cobia! Another little cove over there. Let's get that big net. Cobia chewed. He's close.
We gotta get at least one keeper if we're talking.
Woo!
I don't know. What is it, 32?
Come on, buddy. All right, I'll give him a nice little loop to you. Oh, next loop, next loop, next loop.
Like that, nope.
We had to work pretty hard, pull pretty hard against him. Oh, there you go.
Any other net we wouldn't have. He's definitely borderline.
He's borderline keeper, man. Come on, settle down, buddy. Little short. Super cool fish. Go back to your bull shark friend. Evan got the cove on the jig. You gotta whoop him, Evan. Get him in before shark gets him. There you go. Keep him up top. Go around, go around. Nice. Cobia action. You guys know what they want? They want sand fleas. Man, look at all these sharks. Pull, tighten it. Yeah, I just had a cove coming by.
Hey, watch your feet, watch your feet. You just saw one? Oh,
yeah.
I don't want you to get cut.
I got a cove right here on me. Got a few cove on. Come on, buddy. Cove on the jig.
Cove on.
That's not the one I wanted. There was a bigger one down there.
Okay.
Evan's got his.
You see him still?
I don't see the cove now. Just this one. He thumped that jig. Little cobias, a lot of fun. We got to rip them away. We're only hooking them right at the boat so these sharks don't get them. Well, that's what got him right there. A little squid skirt jig. Later, buddy.
In my way.
There you go. Nicky's on. Nicky's on.
Go.
Another cobia right at the boat.
Yeah, you want to get that net, Joe?
Yep. Just set my rod down. I'm ready.
Do whatever you gotta do.
Another little cobia, but we're getting them. We're getting them. Cobia's on. We got him out. Little cobia. There we go. Another little cobia on the jig. Around. Coming on in. There we go. Little cobia going back. Got a bigger one circling it. The other one right here. Oh, he threw it. Oh, got a new one. That was sick. Dude, they love the swim bait. That was sick. Dude, they love the swim bait.
Shark came and they all bust.
That was sick on the swim bait. There we go. Epic swim bait chew. Swing them in here. That's what we got them on, the swim shad. Woohoo! So much fun doing this. Pop it out and send them off. Nice cobs, nice cobs, nice cobs, nice cobs, big cobs. Right up there.
Where?
Flip up that way.
I don't know where to flip, so I flip there.
All right, another little cobia.
So there was a couple nice ones or just one?
Oh,
it's a good one.
big one ate it. Nope.
Oh, good one. Good one. Good one. Hey, get ready. Get ready.
Just had some kingfish around cutting my swim bait in half, and I was not prepared for this day, but we got a popper. Check my drag.
Ooh.
Oh, king on the popper.
Cobia, nice cobia on that shark. King. Doubled up on kings.
That is a big cobia on that shark.
Oh, the shark got him! No!
Dude, we only got a... There you go, Evan, keep him up. There you go! All right, you're looking good, you're looking good. Another kingfish. On the spoon. There you go, Evan. We got cobia, is gonna go for a cobia on the popper.
If you do that, I'm gonna get some water on this one. Appreciate it. You can use that parchment now too. All right.
Cobia coming in up on the popper. Oh, he missed it.
Yeah, go ahead. I don't care if I get wet. Yo, I'm gonna have to get you wet, bud.
Okay, go for it.
There's blood everywhere.
Look at all these kings under us.
Get your motor too, Evan. So we got
Cobia's coming to mow down the popper. Cobia on the popper.
Oh,
Cobia on the popper. Oh my God, stud cob down there.
really?
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice cob down there. Yes, he spit it.
Where at?
Right here. No, that's not him. That's not the big one. Oh shit, a shark on the popper.
Whoa!
Oh, he's swiping it.
Dude, he's pissed.
Cobia is coming at you. Jig, Evan. Jig, 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 jig. Cobia went down below you.
Did it?
Yeah, he's straight down below us. You got a runner. Oh, you got a bonita? Get him in. Oh, King! King skied! He skied on the popper! He skied on the popper! Woo-hoo-hoo!
What a bite.
That was a sick eat. I don't know if I got it on the camera, but that was a sick eat on the popper.
Here's a good cob.
Oh yeah, that's a nice cob there.
Chasing you. Oh, save myself.
Coming over you.
Oh,
Oh, I pulled the hook, but that was so cool.
Well, we caught a ton of cobia. We didn't get any keepers, but I'm gonna go over something now that a lot of people ask when I post these videos. They ask, what were you using for bait? And even though I usually type it in the description of the video, here we're putting it in the video. I'm gonna show you exactly what I was using. Now, the two baits I'm gonna go over here are baits that I bring with me pretty much anytime I go offshore and almost anytime I go fishing. First one is a swim bait. The one I'm using is the 7-inch swim shad by Tsunami. I like this one a lot. Has very, very strong hooks. You can really muscle those fish away from the sharks like we were doing in the video. But if you are fishing tarpon, snook, redfish, cobias, when I'm fishing cobias on manta rays, I love this bait because it swims real shallow. You can keep it up to the top. You can also reel it really fast and still track straight. Really good bait right there. Next one I'm gonna show you is, I'd say even more versatile than that. And that is some sort of jig, some sort of lead head jig. It's gonna get down deep, it's gonna get down fast. It tracks really straight. If you wanna rip it in real fast across the surface, it works well for that. But this is the skirt jig, silicone skirt jig made by Tsunami. I believe it's about 3 ounces.
Super strong hook on there too. Comes in a couple different colors. The chartreuse or green one. That's kind of one of my favorite colors for cobia. That's why I picked that one out for the day. And it's got these little long pieces at the back. Kind of make it look like a squid, which is a awesome bait for cobia to start with. But you can drop these down to the bottom, jig them on the bottom for a grouper or snapper. You can tip them with a piece of bait, either a strip of bonita or squid or something like that can be really effective, or the jig just by itself like that. So that's what we're doing in that video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it informative. Check out my hats, h2ovinyldesigns.com. Oh, no, we're not doing that anymore. We're doing Janto gear. Same thing, but takes you to the easier name, I guess. I don't know. JantoGear.com. You can get my hats, you can get my shirts, you can get my stickers. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Later.